Timex has released a new special edition version of its Marlin watch to mark the 250th anniversary of the United States. The Marlin America 250 is available now on the company's official U.S. website for $169. It is a straightforward, vintage-styled quartz watch that incorporates a few specific design changes to fit the anniversary theme. The watch uses a 34mm polished stainless steel case. At 34mm wide and 9.5mm thick, it is significantly smaller than most modern men's watches, which usually sit between 38mm and 42mm. This smaller footprint is an intentional choice by Timex to replicate the standard watch sizing from the mid-20th century. For the dial, Timex went with a silver-white background featuring a commemorative America 250 logo. The color palette is a direct reference to the U.S. flag, using deep blue for the partial Arabic numerals, a red sweeping second hand, and blue and white for the main hour and minute hands. The main hands also have standard luminescent paint for basic visibility in the dark. Covering the dial is a domed acrylic crystal. While modern watches typically use mineral glass or sapphire, acrylic was the standard for vintage watches. It scratches more easily than glass, but it is highly impact resistant, and you can buff out minor scuffs with polishing paste. Inside the case, the watch is powered by a standard battery-operated quartz movement using an SR626SW battery. The watch comes with an 18mm blue leather strap stamped with a crocodile-grain pattern. It features quick-release spring bars, allowing you to swap out the strap using just your fingers instead of a specialized pen tool. According to the spec sheet, the band is designed to fit wrist circumferences between 5.9 and 8.1 inches. Durability-wise, the Marlin America 250 offers a basic water resistance rating of 30 meters. This makes it suitable for everyday hand washing or accidental splashes, but Timex explicitly says it is not designed to withstand swimming or diving.